In this video, we will be reviewing the landing gear and flaps panels produced by DIY Cockpit Panels. These panels have the perfect ingredients for adding more realism to Flight Simulator, Prepared, X-Plane, FSX, DCS, and others. Both of the components come with adequate hardware to provide full functionality of what is being simulated. And the best thing is, they both come at an affordable price and can be used with Arduino, Leo Butner, and other types of interface cards. The landing gear lever provides a single pole double throw switch which gives you actions for both gear up and gear down. All the necessary LEDs are included and are also very easy to install, giving you the option to customize, picking your own colors and intensity. Here is a demonstration of gear down and gear up. The flaps lever or handle uses a momentary single pole double throw switch. This allows you to press down to lower the flaps one notch or up to retract one notch. The switch also returns the handle to the middle position after being released. Finally, both of the switches included are of good quality and include screw terminals for easy wiring. Overall, I highly recommend these panels. They are customizable, well made, and affordable. If you would like a review of your product, please contact me at digitaljoshua.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.